Eliatha Busoniasi. Eliatha Busoniasi.
45 is watching. Thank you. Up. Coming. On to the over.
Selvin Junior.
Selvin Junior, Simon Ngolea, my Nail. Oh, Nail High School. Game.
A very good morning to all the students out here in Suva. Preparation for the Cooks game. I know it's been tough training. Waking up early. Going through the cold every morning. But this week, it's up to you and up to them. Who will beat who will beat there, who will beat this.
Ratiluke Secondary School in Kam.
Gonna put here.
Come here. Today they are coming. They are board onto the boat and coming to the bus.
Okay. I thought they bought the bus and come across.
Okay, alam na kakay no ran bitaki na yuli som di bagan rodaw. Wa sa mo tsuno matali kuha o te osado Sony bataki tama. Kaya matali kuha.
Yuli wala no ko mi so ko na betsi.